can't put it off anymore.
The state of my room right now.
This is Fernanda, the fern. Brain dump a little bit. This is struggling. My weekly schedule. There's literally nowhere cute in my room to film right now. But hello, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Julia and welcome to my messy room. I feel like my room and my life are kind of a mess right now. Things have been so crazy lately. At the point of filming this, I'm about to graduate. So there's been grad parties and my graduation practices and getting people gifts and cards, my party, and I've been doing some sponsored content and things have just been so crazy. I feel like my space has been neglected. Also, wow, why does it sound like I'm losing my voice? But I just felt like we were in desperate need of a weekly reset. So I wanted to take you guys along with me, have a good productive morning, clean up my space fully. I'm thinking we do an organizing and a deep clean, and then we're going to my friend's grad party. So we get to finish off with something fun. So I literally just got up, went to the bathroom, and took my hair out of a bun. So I'm thinking we write my little to-do list, make it cute, do my Bible time and journal, because it's been a while, make some coffee and breakfast, go for a run. So I meant to do that yesterday, and I procrastinated. Then we clean up my space and everything. So if you like this video, please remember to hit like and subscribe. I hear it all the time, but it supports creators so much, and I really appreciate it. Without further ado, let's get into it.
So this is the state of my room right now. We have clothes on the chair that are clean, grad gifts, unmade bed, school stuff, random stuff, soccer stuff, PR, shopping, literally everything. It's just such a mess right now.
See, but the good thing is, at least from my bed to where I put my alarm, we have a nice clear little walkway, but I have tripped over many things, so this is definitely in need of cleaning. My mirror's not even in the right place, and my plant. We're running a bit behind schedule. Technically, I didn't really make a schedule, but we're just gonna go to my friend's grad party a little bit later. Just been doing stuff. I had to prep my video to post it and then get that up live. It's the summer try-on haul video. Go check it out if you'd like. And I also wanted to post my senior pictures finally, so I got those up on Instagram. And I just had a little like moment of realization, so I just kind of brain dumped on my story and got my friend's gift ready for graduation and her card and everything. Got a load of laundry in, ate breakfast, had some snacks, you know, and now we are ready for the run. The room is still a mess, but here's a little fit check. Sorry, it's kind of an awkward angle, and this is Fernanda, the fern. She's kind of in the way right now, but it's kind of cute. Got this nice little zip up and just my basic little running shorts, and then underneath it's just a sports bra. I love the color of. Now I'm gonna pick a podcast and we're gonna get running. At all planning to film anything, but I just felt like I should brain dump a little bit, at least have this on film, even if I don't put it in the video. But guys, God is so cool. Seriously. Just before this, I posted my summer try-on haul video, and I love those kind of hauls and they do really well, but I get so wrapped up in like the material stuff, and that's what YouTube pushes. It really is just like always getting more and more, and when they do well, I'm like, yay me, you know, I put the work in. I'm not giving God any credit, and he's the only reason all of this is possible. I should have brought my wind cover thing, the little fuzz ball that goes on the camera, but literally without him, like, I would not be breathing. He's the reason I have lungs. He's the reason I can make all of this. He's the one that's made opportunities for this to happen. I had this like moment of, I don't know, realization like that I should be doing things out of gratitude, and then literally I turn on this podcast. I'm gonna pop it on the screen. It was so good, and they were saying like the exact thing that I realized and how it happened in their lives. This arm is getting so tired, but it was so cool. It's like God directly speaking to me. So anyways, the run was super easy, went by super fast because I was so hyped up about that. But yeah, now just walking around the block right now to cool off. I'm gonna go in the shower, get ready for the day, clean up my room, and then I thought it'd be fun to do a little weekly plan out, like write out my workouts, all my to-dos, because this is a crazy week. I'm graduating this week, so just figuring all that out. So anyways, I'll see you guys in a second. off anymore because I literally have to leave in 45 minutes. So we're gonna finally clean my room. Monday, so big surprise, I didn't finish filming the day I was supposed to. On Saturday, I finished my tidying and cleaning, and then I had to go to my friend's graduation party, which was super fun. Congratulations, Nicole. Now my friends and I are going to get our nails done. As if you look, like, this is struggling. This, I don't know what is going on here, but yeah, I haven't gotten my nails done in probably a couple years. So we're gonna go for acrylics and do it special for graduation. After that, they're gonna come over, we're gonna decorate our grad caps, and then I just want to write out my little weekly schedule and some to-do lists for summer. So, see ya. Okay, we're back. Here are the nails that we got. I love them. They're special for graduation. Oh wow, there's beanbag hair stuck in them. And I got them more for summer because they're just nice and bright, you know? And now I thought I'd write in my journal my weekly schedule, really just for next week, because as I'm getting into summer, I want some structure. And I thought I'd write my little to-do list for summer, which is more of the fun to-dos. Like, I want to go longboarding, I want to hang out with friends more, just all of the fun stuff that I don't want to forget about. So I'll see you guys later. Summer to-dos, but I was in the middle of writing my week out, and I was able to do Sunday because I always take Sundays off work, but I realized I didn't have my work schedule yet, and I guess part of me was kind of hoping I would get it like while I was filming this video, but I haven't gotten it yet. It's literally Saturday, like the week starts on Monday. But once I get that, I'll plan it out and I'll try to show you guys. But for now, I feel much more prepared going into the week and into the summer. I'm just really excited to have all of this time. I feel like it's gonna make my content better for you guys, and I'm excited to actually catch up on some sleep. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. If you like this style of video, let me know in the comments. I could totally do this more often. This was really fun to make. So for now, go have a great day. And remember, Jesus loves you so much. Hey guys! Spending all of the night.